Hello and welcome. Today we'll be creating an online store using Gumroad, Google Sheets, and Biew to create a website for a fictional photographer and farmer who wants to sell pictures of his beautiful pigs. First off, let's head over to Gumroad and create a new product. I'll create a product to sell one of the images of the pigs. I'll fill in the product data. Now that I'm done, I'm going to publish my product. Now I'll go to my Google Drive and create a Google Sheet. In order for your Google Sheet to work with Biew, all you have to do is set the header names in the first row of your spreadsheet. The only required header is the ID, and you can also add the slug header. This is recommended in order to have a single page view for each item in your spreadsheet, but it can be ignored if you don't need it. In this case, I'll add the following headers and add one of the products I want to sell. I'll also add an image. Biew allows you to use images stored in your Google Drive. To do that, simply drag and drop your images into your Google Drive. Right-click on the image, choose Get Link, and allow it to share with anyone with the link. Now, copy this link and paste it into the image column. And finally, I'll add the Gumroad link of this product. I'll repeat this for the rest of my pig images. Now let's head over to Biew. I'll create a new website. I'll insert my Google spreadsheet URL into this field. This will load all the data in my Google Sheet. Next, I'll choose the name of my website. In this case, it'll be pictures, and this will be my subdomain. Now I want to add my favicon, which is the icon displayed in the tab, and also my logo, which will be added to the top section of my website. If you don't want to add a logo, then the name of your website will be shown instead. The name of the website is also the title that will be displayed in the tab. Now I'll configure the list view of my website. I'll enable the filter to be by breed. I'll also choose the image header of my Google spreadsheet to be the image in the card. I'll set the title, description, and caption. I want my users to go to my Gumroad link, so I'll add a call to action button that links to my product. I'll change the text to be Get Picture. I'll customize the color of the button. And I'll click Next. This is the single page view for each of the items in my Google spreadsheet. That's why the slug header is recommended. This will allow me to click the cards and take me to the single page view of each card. If you don't want this section, simply don't add the slug header in your spreadsheet. In this case, I'll keep it. I'll configure the single page view. I'll click Next. I'll add my Google Analytics ID. And I'll publish it. And that's it. I now have my online store using Gumroad, Google Sheets, and Biew.